Yo, I've been sitting here all day soaking in this joy. Now, for the last half hour, I've just been watching Cowboys fans' reaction videos. And yo, these cats are hot under the collar. It's nice to be a Birds fan today, baby. Eagles, Eagles. In case y'all never heard that before. Y'all gonna hear that next week too. Because we gonna be in y'all stadium. It's gonna be more y'all, but it's gonna be enough of us. Just enough. Skip Bayless. How about them Cowboys? How about them? You did kind of sort of call it and said that you think the Jacksonville Jaguars might beat them, but then you just dismissed us. Like, we looked a little, today. A little bit, because to me personally, it was the cold. I think we got a lot of Southern cats on the team. These boys ain't used to the cold. I grew up here in Philly, even though I live outside of Philly now, but I grew up here in Philly. And we have all 4 seasons. So, it'd be cold. It's cold today. But them, some of them cats ain't used to it. But we pulled it out, so it don't matter. Don't matter. And I can't wait. Y'all stinking fans all over this country, all over the country. America's team, these nuts. I don't want to hear that no more. But I'm going to continue to hear it. Right now, we are number one. Number one. You come to Philly right now, you're going to feel that number one vibe. We've been feeling it for quite a while now. Quite a while. Loving it. Next Saturday, yeah, we'll see you. Y'all ain't got nothing for this. Nothing. I will be eating a nice husky cheesesteak. Nice husky joint next week while I watch the game with my sons, who are both Eagles fans, thank goodness. Because like I said, it's just too many Cowboy fans in this country. Too many of y'all. Got to go to every job you go to, you got one of y'all fans at the job. Jumped on the bandwagon in the 90s when they won a couple of chips. Somehow let Jerry Jones fool y'all into believing that it's America's team. And am I hating? Yeah, I'm hating because that's bullshit. Is you kidding me? Philadelphia, where the country started. First capital of the country. But I don't even need the moniker America's team. Don't need it. The word Philly is in Philadelphia, Philly, whatever. That's in front of the Eagles. That's all I need. Don't need none of them fancy ass pseudonyms. America's team. Whatever, bro. Y'all looked like y'all always look. Like failures in the end. Just like failures. And the highlight of y'all season would be to beat us next week, which ain't going to happen. Because guess what? We're going to be playing in a nice controlled temperatured environment in y'all little corny dome. Sherry's World. Or Sherry World. But we got something for y'all cowgirls. Definitely. It's going to be I think it's going to be a battle. But y'all can't stop the run. We're going to run at the young boy, number 11. Not even going to say his name. System. Really? For real, though. System. You seen what our boy do, man. All season. Y'all ain't going to get the boy no credit for putting in the work in the off season. He put in the work. Ain't got nothing to do with the system. And then Chris Sims, Gardner Minshew can be thrown into the mix and be successful. Well, why don't you come out of retirement and jump your ass in the mix and see how successful you are? Stop. Jalen Hurts put the work in, man. One put the work in. And that's why he's doing what he's doing. System helps, but you ain't going to be accurate if you ain't put the work in to be accurate. I don't care what your system look like. It ain't happening. So get off of that. You made a mistake. Eat crow. No, matter of fact, eat eagle. All right, I'm done. I had to record this for myself so I can look at this sometime in the future and just remind myself that 2022, a week before Christmas Eve, well, 6 days before Christmas Eve, we get ready to get the Cowboys the business. We get ready to give them the business. I'm going to continue looking at some more of these Cowboy reaction videos because they are priceless. They're priceless. I've had that look many times. Everybody in the country has had that look many times. But to watch y'all, man, it makes it even better. It's even better than watching Eagles happiness reaction videos, which I haven't even looked at. I just want to see y'all in the misery, wallowing in your own misery. Stinking ass Cowboy fans. See y'all next week. Holla. These Jones is on, baby.